Just before we start the song, I just want to share a few words with all of you. The song that we're going to sing today has been a great encouragement for us. It came to us during the time of need, so it's given us a lot of strength, and I hope that the words will also touch all of your hearts. Just like Pastor shared with us from Psalms today, he said that God remembers us. He remembers the prayers that we have put in front of him. So he hasn't forgotten any of the tears that you have shed in his presence. He hasn't forgotten the prayer that you have prayed a million times. And even if you forget, God doesn't forget those prayers that you have said. Even if it is a small thing or a big thing, God remembers you, and he will bless you when he opens the gates of heaven and to pour out his blessings on all his people. And also God's hand is there with you during the time of suffering, and when you're going through a difficult situation, God is there. Jesus is there by your side, and there's nothing to be worried about or to be afraid. Just say the words of faith and keep praying and holding on to the promises that God has given. Another thing that I wanted to share with you is from Psalms 116. Just like the psalmist says, how can I repay God for all the goodness that he has shown towards us? God has done many good things in all of our lives. How can we repay all of those goodness? The psalmist says that we can take up the cup of salvation and call upon the name of the Lord. So what does God want from us? He wants us to take the message of salvation to the many people who are captivated by the ruler of this world. So we need to reach out to those people, and God can touch those people through our lives and through the words that we speak. And also the psalmist says that we can call upon the name of the Lord. That's the only thing that we can do, the only name that is worthy to be praised, the only name that can be lifted high is the name of Jesus. So let us sing the song together. If you know the song, if you know the words, do sing with us, and I hope that it'll be a blessing in your life.
ഇസ്രായേലിൻ രാജാവേ, എൻ ദൈവമാം യഹോവേ, ഞാൻ അങ്ങേ വാഴ്ത്തിയിടുന്നു, നന്മകളോർത്തിയിടുന്നു. ഇസ്രായേലിൻ രാജാവേ, എൻ ദൈവമാം യഹോവേ, ഞാനങ്ങേ വാഴ്ത്തിയിടുന്നു, നന്മകളോർത്തിയിടുന്നു. യേശുവേ, 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 യേശുവേ. നന്ദി നന്ദി നാഥാ, അളവില്ല സ്നേഹത്തിനായി. നന്ദി നന്ദി നാഥാ, അളവില്ല സ്നേഹത്തിനായി. തിരുകരമെന്നെ താങ്ങി വൻ പ്രതികൂലങ്ങളിൽ മുൻപോട്ടു യാത്ര ചെയ്യുവാൻ ജനമെന്നും നൽകിയതാ. തിരുകരമെന്നെ താങ്ങി സ്നേഹ